Hi Sujit. So I have invited madam. She is not yet connected. So I'm just waiting for her to get connected. Hi Matthews Bhaiya, how are you? Yeah, you'll be going to know in a few minutes. So good evening friends. Today I'm here to interact with our English TGT ma'am, Nalini Kanojia. So now I'm just inviting her. Yeah. Okay. I'm adding her. Yeah. She's online. Yeah, we got her.
Good
Hello,
evening.
ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Good
Hello, good
evening.
evening. Good
How are
evening,
you,
Padma. How are
ma'am?
you? I'm
Fine, ma'am.
fine,
How are
thanks.
you? Okay,
Fine
ma'am.
too.
So we got 6
Very
viewers.
excited.
Yeah, you are very
Yes,
excited. Yes, ma'am.
I am very
Yeah,
excited.
yeah. We
And
are having 6 viewers still. Yeah.
okay,
Mansi is there. Sujit is there. Matthews Bhaiya. I
okay.
think you know. You may know him.
No,
Samar is there.
I
Samar
cannot.
is there.
Yeah, summer is there. Fine. Okay.
Yeah. Ma'am, can you see
I
the
think
comments?
before, yeah, I can see. I'll react to that also.
Yeah, yeah.
Good evening to the core group. You alumni are great, I must say.
Thank
And
you, ma'am.
normally the
Thank you very
Thanksgiving
much.
is in the end, but I think by then everybody will be exhausted. I need to personally congratulate each one of you. You're so sweet because when you're in person, personally,
Yeah.
when you're connected, to coordinate is a human task, okay, Herculean task rather. But to
Yes.
connect with so much distances and with this time frame, you मतलब हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना वो जज्बा होना चाहिए तभी काम होता है
Yes, ma'am.
kudos.
For us now,
I
we are
thank
lucky
each
to
one of
have
you.
such a teachers also. And we are lucky to
It
have
is
such
true,
a
mate.
teachers also because you are
Hello,
responding to
Samar.
us.
No.
You
Our
are also
pleasure.
responding
Actually,
to us. That
entirely
is
our
there.
pleasure.
Yeah. So and
Hello,
that the whole
Samar.
the
How are
whole
you?
credit goes to yeah, ma'am. Samar is there. Matthews Bhaiya is there. Now Vandana
Hi,
madam is added.
Vandana. Good
Vandana
evening,
madam.
Vandana.
Hello, madam. Vandana ma'am.
Hi. Yeah,
So the whole credit
nice.
goes to Sujit, Sachin, and Sushant madam technically and
All,
everything. And
all of you, all
nowadays,
of you rather,
yeah. Now Vinay
all
is
of you.
creating all the videos. You must have seen the promos and all.
Yes.
Yeah,
Very
that
nice.
was Vinay's
It's
one.
wonderful. It's really wonderful, to seeing our offsprings going
Yes,
ahead of
ma'am.
us. Our
Yes,
job is
ma'am.
done.
So I would like
Yes.
to thank you also, ma'am, for coming forward
Uh,
to share your memories in
my
our session.
pleasure. My
So
pleasure.
really, I'm
My
very
pleasure.
happy to hear that, ma'am.
Entirely my
Okay,
pleasure.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Some let us start now. We have only 10
Yeah.
viewers. They'll be increasing. So, madam,
Yes. Right.
previously in 1980s, you teachers used to have our question papers in your hands.
All right. I know.
Yeah.
And
Now the
so
question
it
paper
is.
is in. Now the question paper came to in our hands, madam. No.
Okay. The roles have
Yeah.
reversed.
Yeah. So
It's great.
I
Good.
remember, ma'am, in English we used to have three sessions: section A, section B, section C, prose, poetry, and
Okay.
grammar. You
Right.
are English teacher.
Yes.
So in the same way, I
Yeah.
divided your paper into three sections: before Karanja, in Karanja, after
Oh,
Karanja.
wow. That's very nice.
Yeah.
Meticulously planned, huh, Padma?
Yeah.
Very
Yeah.
fine.
So, ma'am, so first introduce yourself, ma'am, about your
Yeah,
childhood education. Yeah.
fine.
Before how up to Karanja, how
Up to
your
current.
Karanjas.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. I am out and out KV product. Okay,
Yeah.
and I'm very proud to be a KVite. In
Okay.
I was born in 1958, so in 63 I was in the first standard. That time the school was Naval Public School. I've
Acha.
grown up in Mumbai only, born and brought up in
Okay.
Mumbai, Kolaba, my
Okay, ma'am.
birthplace and my Janam Bhoomi and Karam Bhoomi as well. So dad was in the Navy. Then in
Yes, ma'am.
63, the school was converted into Central School and then later on
Yeah.
Kendriya Vidyalaya. Very proud to be. Then when I was in the sixth standard, that is in 1968,
Yes, ma'am.
KB1 population exploded, and we were divided into two schools, KV number 1 and KV number 2, and I went to KV number 2. That year,
Okay.
even my mom joined SPGT Hindi.
Oh,
Dad was in the Navy, husband in the Navy, so all out and out KV and Navy union.
both, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Then did my college from KC College, Churchgate, Mumbai.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
did my teachers training also from Bombay Teachers Training College, Cuff Parade, Mumbai, and then got married. 1 year I worked in some other private school, Bombay International, 80
Okay.
81 session. Then in 1983 we moved to Karanja, and then I got into KVS, which is a journey in itself. Very proud to be. It's out
Okay,
and
ma'am.
out. I have
So,
had 3 innings in Kendriya Vidyalayas. I
yes,
joined as
ma'am.
a PRT on 20th August 19,
Oh,
1st
yeah.
August 1987 was my farewell from Karanja.
Oh,
Today,
exactly.
so many years back.
August only.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, July 31st. July
July
31st,
30.
1987 was my
From,
farewell, which is still very, very vivid in my memory.
we'll talk about it, ma'am. Later on, we'll talk about it, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
that's it.
when you had decided to take English as a subject, ma'am?
When did I
Why?
decide to do what?
English as a
Hello?
subject to teach English. Hello?
English as a subject.
Yeah.
My main subject was history. I was
Oh,
more interested in history. That was my mains. Yeah, I've done my
okay.
graduation from history honors. But then when I
Acha.
joined KB Karanja, year in and out, I got to teach only English. And then I developed a liking for literature. So bifurcated from my main subject to English. And then in 2008, I was promoted as TGT English, and then to Shakespeare in and out from
So,
there.
why teaching as a profession? Why you are choosing teaching as a profession, not any others? You are interested in teaching.
Um, Actually, if you go to see, I like lot of things to do, but then one has to make a choice. Then thinking everything, I
Yes,
think I
ma'am.
had a little more passionate. I was more passionate about teaching. I love
Yes, ma'am.
children a lot. The primary children used to sit on my head only
Okay.
that way. So yeah, and mom was my this thing idol. I imbibed a lot of values from her. So she was a teacher
Okay.
herself,
Yeah, yeah. Your mother
and
was a teacher.
so I wanted to be like her.
So, who was
And
the
my own
inspiration to
teachers
become a
were very
teacher?
nice.
Mother?
First, my mom, and first of all, my mom. She was my inspiration, and then a lot of teachers. I have been very fortunate to have very good teachers all throughout. My first standard teacher,
Okay.
I still remember her. When I used to write in
Oh,
good handwriting, she gave me a pencil. I still remember that,
oh,
that time. Then, yeah, in seventh standard, my class teacher, she was awesome, Mrs. Bhatia. I wanted to be like her. I used to imitate her. I wanted to be like her.
okay.
Then a lot of teachers. My professors were very good. In B.Ed, I had very nice professors. So out and out,
Okay.
I've had a nice journey with good interaction and good rapport with my teachers and professors as well. Sachdeva madam is joining. Hello, Sachdeva madam. I
I'm
still
getting the
remember your subject. I used to have
I'm
my
not getting
audio
the
is not clear.
messages. No, ma'am. Comments I'm not
Sachdeva
getting.
madam.
Okay, madam. Vandana madam is watching.
Sachdeva madam is also there. Hello, madam. Anil Mahajan. Yes, Anil.
Okay.
Good evening, Anil.
Okay, ma'am. So your mom was a
Yes.
teacher in your school only.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
my
how
school. She
was your
taught me in
feeling,
10th
ma'am?
and 11th. She taught me
So
in 10th and 11th.
how was your this one, ma'am, with along with your mom?
I was a little
So because she
conscious in
was a
front of
teacher.
her. Yeah, I was very conscious. She taught me in 10th and 11th, and those were the
Oh,
years, when you're extra conscious, your classmates watch you with four
into
eyes.
ah, ah,
So that was the
ah,
time I was
okay.
very conscious. She would never give me to read, reading literature and all, no. I would never. I was
Okay,
very
ma'am.
conscious in front of her.
So in house also you used to have a school atmosphere.
Yes, yes, totally, totally.
Vandana Saxena madam said, hi, Nalini, rowdy.
Yeah. Howdy, howdy. How's the day?
Oh, sorry, howdy. Your
I'm
code words.
fine, Vandana. I'm fine.
Yeah, Sachdeva madam is asking, hi everyone, glad
Sachdeva
to see you
madam,
all,
yeah.
my Karanja
Yes,
family. Okay.
yes. Same here, Sachdeva madam, really. Miss you all a lot.
Okay, so any unforgettable incidents from your school life?
School life,
Yeah.
yeah, actually good and bad both. Now when I look back, I feel I was so stubborn. Once I was in the 10th standard, actually we had migrated transferred from Kulaba
Okay.
to Agra, Kent. I didn't
Acha.
like this school. I didn't like the environment at all. Where Kulaba and where Agra. So
Okay.
I never liked this school. One day during the morning assembly, our English sir, he called out my name. That time I was Sharma. Nalini Sharma will come and recite a poem. Nalini Sharma will come and recite a poem. And believe me, Padma, how stubborn I behaved. I just stood there like a rock of Gibraltar, not ready to move even an inch. I didn't
Oh.
move. And now when I look back, I felt so bad because I was good at recitation. And somehow they
Then,
knew that I could recite. He wanted me to come. It was a good opportunity to show my talents in my just did not
yes,
budge.
ma'am.
And years later, I really regretted, I shouldn't have been so rude and stubborn.
Oh,
Hi, Chetan,
madam.
that's my son. Hi,
Yeah, Chetan Kanodia.
my son, Chetan.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So any
Hi,
other incident you
Shraddha,
told?
I'm
Both you are
fine.
having sad incident and a good incident. One more incident?
Yeah,
Any good
and
incident?
yes, when I was in the 8th standard, those days
Yes, ma'am.
Foundation Day celebration used to be held only in Delhi. KVS
Okay.
Foundation Day, 14 December. It used to be held only
Yes,
in
ma'am.
Delhi, and from all the schools, from two participants would be selected, and they would represent
Acha.
their school. And I was really
Oh.
proud that I was chosen as one of the participants to represent Kendriya
Oh.
Vidyalaya number 2, Kolaba. I'd gone to
Okay.
Delhi. We met Mrs. Indira Gandhi, and I won
Oh.
first prize in solo dance competition. Yes, it was a great
Oh.
moment for me. And when I came back, everybody knew, yeah, this is Nalini. She's, she
Became a
dance school.
celebrity.
So that was a really proud moment for my parents. Yes, and for my
Yes, ma'am.
parents and me as well. Lifelong.
Okay. So teachers from your school life, college
Uh,
life.
School life I had, I told wonderful teachers I had. One I told you, my first standard class teacher, my seventh standard class
Yes,
teacher,
ma'am.
my ninth standard history sir was very nice. My ninth standard
Okay.
English sir was very nice, Mr. Papali. I still remember, we had this habit of come in sir, and all of us have that haath aage
Yes,
karke,
sir.
may I
Yeah,
come
yeah.
in,
Please
may I
may
come
come
in.
in, sir.
So
Yes.
the typical typical KV this thing, no? And then boys used
Yes,
to be
ma'am.
sitting where the switches were there. So we would tell, hey, on the fan, on the fan. What's say? On the fan, the fan, switch on the fan. So that is still engraved in my memory. And another
Yes,
thing we used to
ma'am.
tell him, can I come in? Can I come in? So what he would
Yes,
say,
sir. We used to use
you
this.
can come in, you may not. You can come in, you may not. You can come in, you may not. So that's it is still in my engraved.
So,
Oh
madam, recent.
my God, my son
Have you
has
met
written thanks for
anyone
everything, especially dealing.
with a knot?
Whom
This son
I
with a
met.
knot.
Yes, I met a few of them. Yeah, this is my son. Thanks for everything, especially dealing with the naughty son. Yes, yes. I was the happiest when you passed out 12th, my son. So no more complaints. Great, great.
So,
Yes.
so you have met anyone, madam? Your teachers?
I have met my teachers. In fact, when I got transferred
Yeah, madam.
from Jamnagar to Kolaba, I got an
Okay.
opportunity to work with my teachers, as colleagues.
Okay.
I was really happy. Kinney Miss, Mrs. Malaya, Mr. Save, PT Sir. PT
Oh,
Sirs are
yeah.
always very popular with
Yeah.
all the students. And
Yes,
then
ma'am.
it was fun working with. I met even my old principal, rather, Mrs. Malhotra. We have in
Oh,
Kolaba one, they organize alumni meet every year. So I
yeah.
attend. I
Okay.
make it a point. I've attended two or three. I make it a point. Neeta Matre, hello Neeta.
Yes. Indrajit sir, madam is asking Chetan was not in Karanja. No, I think he
Chetan
was
was
not there.
there, ma'am. He was there in the first standard. Chetan was there in the first standard. He was there. Daughter was born in Karanja.
Okay. So, when did you join KV Karanja, ma'am? Our school.
I joined as a PRT on 20th August
Oh,
1983,
oh.
Sadbhavna Divas.
Sadbhavna Divas. That also
His,
you remember.
his
Very good.
history student, no?
Yeah, yeah. So, ma'am, you have started your career from KV Karanja.
KV Karanja, yes.
So,
Truly
how you
easy.
feel about that
Amazing.
school? Because it was the place where
Amazing. Exactly.
your career has
My second
started there
innings, yes, it was
as a teacher.
I enjoyed every day. When I joined, I was young,
Oh,
energetic, bubbling with energy, running around all the place, everywhere, here and there. The school was run in barracks those days,
yeah,
and
yeah, that's right.
vividly remember all of them, right from the principal, now late Shri Srivastav ji, he,
Yes,
Kulgaonkar madam, then all the other senior teachers, Sachdeva madam, Deepa Mittal, Maurya
yes,
sir,
ma'am.
Kishti sir,
Hmm.
Mr. and Mrs. Trivedi, all of them, they were so nice to me, and they helped me. Rather, uh, what do you say? I bloomed because the sapling was very strong. My roots were very
Yes, ma'am.
strong in KV Karanja. And I think I owe everything, whatever I am today, whatever I have achieved, I owe everything to my first school, that is KV Karanja, because I learned a lot, the KV culture from there. And they were
And
all very nice to me. Hi, yeah,
Sachin has
Beta.
given a compliment. Nalini madam is highly confident. Great going, madam.
Oh my
Sachin,
God,
one
thank
of
you.
my team member, madam. He is the one who is technical, so
Yeah,
all
yeah,
he is
yeah.
going on.
Yes, yes. No, no, no. I have very fond memories. I'll tell you, it'll take, ages. That the Golden Jubilee day, I was fully in Karanja, Mentally
Okay.
there only I was. Mentally I was there only. It was real good. And we used to have lot. There was, distinct feature you could say is at no point I felt that I was a newcomer over there. You know, everybody was so cordial, everybody was so helpful to me. I learned how to maintain a register, how to take fees, how to
Yeah.
make lesson plans, everything, every detail I learned from there only. Everything I learned from there. And when I
So,
was made the
ma'am.
class teacher of first standard. That was
Okay.
awesome.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sujit is asking, ma'am,
Something
how
more?
was barrack school? Ma'am, Sujit wants to know about barrack school, madam, because we
Yeah,
don't know
barrack
that
school only
barrack
I'm
school.
telling. Yeah, I'm telling about
Yeah,
barrack school only. As we entered
we
this
want
thing, on
more.
right hand side was principal sir's office. Okay, it was principal sir's
Okay.
office. And then he was a real fatherly figure. At I was scared of any principals without or throughout my life. I was never scared, and I was very freely I
Of
could
course,
communicate
ma'am.
what I wanted to, So he used to treat me like a daughter,
Yes, ma'am.
and I would even go and fight with him. Fight means so that
Okay,
friendly
madam.
fight kind of a thing. And then they gave me first red. The section
Oh,
was first red. So I went and asked Kulgaonkar, madam, red क्यों, madam? And she explained to me, यहाँ पे ना every parent wants the child to be in A section. So our principal
A
sir came up
section.
with a good plan कि A, B, C हटा देते हैं first standard है. Let us make it red, yellow, and red, blue, and yellow,
Okay.
three colors. So I was the class teacher of
Okay,
first
ma'am.
red. And what wonderful children I had in my class. Oh, angels tying
Okay,
their
ma'am.
shoelaces, taking their, soiled chocolates. They would give me chocolates like this, in their hand, in that lollipop and all. And every day one flower I would get, from some child or the other. So these are sweet little
So, do
memories.
you remember?
And I remember the
So,
students
your
would come
first
and peep and see in the staff room, कि teachers लोग भी खाना खाते हैं या नहीं, that kind of
standard students
tiny
are.
thoughts were really innocent, very, very
Hello?
innocent. And
Yes, there
Padma,
is
I was
some.
very fortunate.
Yes.
Yeah, I was very fortunate, Padma, to be promoted along with my class. I went up with them till fifth
Okay.
standard, so 4.5 years
Same
bonding.
class.
We were like this, same
Okay, it's
class,
the same class, ma'am.
and same class, and I was really, really very possessive about my class.
So, and do you remember your first day as a teacher in Karanja? Your experience as a first day in Karanja?
Yes, yes.
Teacher, as a
First
teacher.
day, right, I remember even what I was wearing.
Oh,
I was wearing a green, yes, I was wearing a green sari, and
okay.
August, no, monsoon time. So I
Yeah.
went first, all those formalities you have to complete your medical and all that we did, and then I went to the staff room. I was really lost. I was watching each and everybody smiling, looking here and there, and they were all so good. Acha, Nalini, Nalini, Nalini. So I didn't feel that it was my first day, because Padma, I think KV culture is the same everywhere, wherever
Yes,
you
ma'am.
go.
Yes.
It's the same.
Teachers are very
Same.
affectionate and they. So,
Exactly,
hi, Lily.
exactly. And yeah, so I handled it very nicely. Then they gave me the register. Earlier, when we were children, we were very fascinated by the registers, At least I
Yes,
was,
correct.
The
Even
teacher's
I also
diary and
used to run,
register.
madam. Even I used to run for
Exactly.
registers
I
and
was
chalk
really,
pieces, ma'am.
yes, yes.
After the assembly,
So
yes,
same here,
ma'am. I
it
was the
is the
first.
same. So then I got to hold now this is my register. Yeah, this is my register, my class, so that kind of a feeling. And I always, except for 1 year, this all the years of my 34.5 years of teaching, I was a class teacher of some class or the other. That is a good feeling. Only 1 year I was not the class teacher. I didn't like that year because you want your class, that belongingness, that feeling.
Yes.
But
Ma'am, now Lily madam has joined us. Barai sir has joined us. Barai sir is saying same smile and
yep.
same enthusiasm now, also as before. Namaste, namaskar, madam ji. Sir, now they
नमस्ते
are.
नमस्ते बरई सर नमस्ते
And
बरई
Nalini
सर
Siddharthan madam
कैसे
is
हैं
saying
आप?
hello, Nalini.
हाय लिली हाय लिली हम लोग तो बहुत अच्छे पैर हैं लिली एंड मी
So, madam, when you
या
came to Karanja, in Karanja already there are many senior most teachers are there, and you are a
yes
fresher
yes they
in
were
Karanja.
all were
So,
fresh.
how was the experience with them? Because you are a fresher in
It was
Karanja.
great. I told you, it was great. I got to learn so many things. Everything. I didn't know anything. It was a clean slate for me.
Yeah.
Nothing. Because I had worked only in one private school where the culture is totally different. It's not like KB.
Yes, ma'am.
There it is totally, that was ICSE school. Totally different kind of environment. Very stiff, very this thing and all. And year means like first day only I was very free. And then
Okay. So
even our
no.
group D was very nice. Our office staff was very good.
Okay.
And then when we shifted to the main this thing building, oh God, the climb was real. This thing,
Yes, ma'am.
I
That was
used to
very nice, ma'am. And you remember the
a
slope,
good
ma'am, that used to come.
yes, he is a good exercise. My God, I used to. But
Okay.
great, great memories. And another thing about KV Karanja, I don't think any parent ever came and interfered with the school administration.
No, ma'am.
I cannot remember for those 3 4 years I was there. Not a single parent ever came with any complaint. So that culture was not there only. Parent coming in,
Yes, ma'am. That was nice.
bombarding on the teachers and school management. Not at all. It was good. And another thing is
Ma'am, now.
discipline part. Unique feature about this
Yes,
thing.
ma'am.
And I think the only school where you travel by boat from
Yeah,
Mumbai,
that's right. Yeah.
right?
So, ma'am, you used to stay in Karanja or you used to stay in Navy Nagar or in Mumbai?
When I joined, I was staying in Karanja only, Archana
Okay.
building top floor, so we could see Mumbai across,
Oh,
and it was fun.
yes, ma'am.
Then then in 86, my husband got transferred to 86 or early
Okay.
87. My husband got transferred to Navy Nagar, Mumbai. So from there, I used to find it little tough,
Oh,
climbing those
used to travel.
Shaktiman trucks, yeah, coming with those
Oh, yeah,
truck
yeah.
and boat and all. And then in boat, I would meet even Ketkar madam. We were actually 14
Yeah.
or 15 of us. We used to travel from Mumbai to Karanja.
Okay.
Madam and us in the boat, we were all pally, husband, chugli, this, that, all thing we used to do, discuss
Oh.
everything. And then when she would get on from the jetty, then she was principal and I was Nali.
so, so you had a good time with in the
Yeah.
boat also.
Yes, yes.
So
Yes,
now
yes, boat.
Kulgankar madam has joined us. Moria sir has joined
Yes.
us. Both are telling you
Oh,
hi, ma'am.
मौर्य सर हाय मौर्य सर हेलो मंजू कैसी है इनकी बेटी को मैंने पढ़ाया था
Acha.
थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड में मंजू
So ma'am, here is
मंजू
one surprise for you.
what is
Just
this
hear
surprise
it.
yeah
Mrs. Nalini Kanoja and myself worked in KB Karanja together for 3-4 years, but I worked there for 15 years altogether. Later she was
लिली
transferred to
मैडम
Mumbai. She was one of my
लिली मैडम
best friends in Karanja. She was an excellent
yeah
teacher,
really
dedicated to
oh
her
my god
profession, friendly with her
oh my
students and staff. She had a charismatic personality and her positive energy spreads among the people surrounding her. The students loved her very much and she helped the students and parents, especially in secondary classes. She was highly involved in all the activities of the school and very cooperative with the colleagues. In the barrack school, we lady staff members enjoyed the lunch break very much by sharing our lunch. It
yes
was the best tenure of our career in KVS.
right
Her
and
lovely, smiling face was an inspiration to all students and will be remembered always. I know she is retired from service and enjoying her life with family. I wish her a happy, healthy, and wonderful life in the years ahead. Waiting for your
Thank
interactive section with Padmaja, and thanks to all.
Oh, Lily, thank you so much, my girl. You're so generous with your comments, Lily.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Lily, madam, for
Thanks a
your
lot. Thanks a
forward
lot, Lily.
message.
Thanks a lot.
Really, thank you very much,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Oh my God. Overwhelmed. I'm really overwhelmed.
So,
Oh, so
ma'am, do
sweet
you
of you.
used to do pre-preparation before going to school? Because you're a new
Yeah.
fresher. You used to do?
Yes.
Yes,
Lots of.
lots of. In
Activity
English also.
method and all has come much later, Padmaja.
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Activity
ma'am.
method and all has come much later. I
Yes.
used to be totally with the children. Be
Yeah,
like
ma'am.
them only, running around, playing, everything. I used to be with them.
Okay, ma'am.
Earlier days I used to wear only saris, but later on I started wearing even salwar kameezes and all. So my this thing was I used to keep my dupatta on the chair and I used to just freak out with the children. Get involved in each and every child. That
So you
was
enjoyed every moment of your life as a teacher, as a student,
every,
every moment. Great,
every.
ma'am.
Yes,
Great,
yes,
ma'am.
yes, yes.
So in
We are born
Karanja
only
school,
once.
yeah, who's
Yeah.
teaching you like the most, madam? Because senior more teachers, who's teaching you like the most
See,
in Karanja?
everybody was unique. You cannot compare two individuals.
Yes,
Yeah,
that is the man.
everybody
But
was this thing. Kulgako madam was totally devoted, out and out devoted for the
oh,
school. Like,
yes, ma'am, that
democracy,
is the
by the
man.
people, of the
Yeah,
people.
to
KV
the
for
people, by the people, for the
Kulgakar madam,
people. Yes,
for
ma'am.
for KV Karanja, by KV Karanja,
Two
that
KV
kind she was this
Karanja.
thing. Yes, true. Because she has actually seen the growth of KV Karanja.
Yes,
One of the finer members. Then the Mr. and Mrs. Trivedi. Mrs. Trivedi though was very gentle, very nice, very
yes,
soft
ma'am.
spoken, very gentle, good. Lily was so soft spoken and so gentle in her own ways, and very professional. She was firm. She was not lenient. She was not a tyrant either, but she was firm in her own ways, and she had a good rapport with the children. बड़े सर बहुत प्यार करते थे बच्चे उनको. Maurya sir, I remember one more sir. I have not this thing. Nobody has come in contact with him. There was one Chaube sir. He was in the primary
Yeah, madam,
section.
we remember
So
him,
when
ma'am. Chobe sir. Yes,
चौबे
I
सर है ना.
heard it. Yeah,
तो
Chobe sir is there.
स्मॉल
Yes.
चिल्ड्रन, हाँ, स्मॉल बच्चे जब आते थे ना, कुच्चू वाले सर किधर है, कुच्चू वाले सर, तो उनका नाम ही था कुच्चू वाले सर. बिकॉज आई थिंक सेकंड
Wow,
स्टैंडर्ड में
ma'am.
कोई लेट्स लर्न इंग्लिश इज ऑल अबाउट कुच्चू एंड हिज फैमिली. तो वो सर का नाम चौबे सर नहीं था, कुच्चू वाले सर. He was also
Okay,
very
ma'am.
dedicated. I remember, we used to discuss Sachdeva madam.
Yeah,
Very nice. I cannot
he's one
actually
of the
single
most
out
senior.
anyone. All of them were good in their own ways, yeah.
Okay.
Everybody had Masterpal sir was good. Kishti
Yeah,
sir
boss.
बहुत अच्छे थे, scout, yeah. So
So
सब
at
लोग थे.
B2, ma'am, we came
Pardon?
to know that you are a member of a star maker.
Yes.
Yeah. So a few lines about our KVK. We would like to hear you from you.
KV Karanja के लिए few
Of course,
lines
ma'am, we
गाना
are
है.
a KV Karanja's family. So what
Okay.
we want to hear about KV Karanja?
School का गाना. बेला
School
गुलाब
ka
चंपा
gana,
चमेली.
anything related to anything? Your wish, madam.
Okay.
It's far better if KVK, otherwise your wish, one whatever. We want to hear something from
Okay.
you.
सबसे फेमस गाना तो यही था, हम लोग सब प्रेयर में जरूर गाते थे. हम लोग ने बचपन में भी गाया. एज अ स्टूडेंट, एज अ टीचर ऑल्सो भी मॉनिटर्ड राउंड लेने के गाओ गाओ गाओ, दिस
कौन सा
थिंग, दिस
गाना
काइंड ऑफ
madam?
सॉन्ग. ओके. हिंद देश के निवासी
Yeah.
सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है.
Yes.
इनफ.
और one more
ओके,
man,
और
this we
चाहिए.
know man. Yeah, ये तो हम लोग
दिस
भी
यू नो.
गाते थे ना. No, in one more.
हाँ, तो हमारे टाइम से ही है. और दूसरा
Yeah.
गाना है तुमने. ओके. अब सोचना पड़ेगा एक्चुअली
That
spontaneously.
okay.
It should match with the school now.
I told you no, I'm not going to give any questions to you. You are
And anyway,
spontaneous.
okay,
Yes.
okay, okay. ये तुम लोग के लिए है, मेरे केवी
Oh,
एलिमनाइज और उसके लिए, ठीक है. ये कौन आया, रोशन हो गई महफिल, जिसके नाम से मेरे घर में जैसे सूरज निकला है शाम से. ये कौन आया ये तुम लोगों के लिए डेडिकेटेड है।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for
केवी
allowing.
करंजा परिवार की।
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Oh,
Very nice, madam. Awesome.
thank you.
We didn't.
Thanks.
Okay, so unforgettable incident. Of course, you are having a many incidents,
हाँ,
but one incident.
yeah, yeah. 31st July 1987. Oh
Your
my God.
favor. Your farewell.
Full, full time crying. I remember the
Of course,
first
ma'am.
day morning assembly say, you know, in the board, yeah, morning assembly. In the board, I came with Ketkar madam and Baki colleagues. So madam was inquiring, how will you go, what are this thing and all that. Okay, technical parts. Then came morning assembly. First period, I went to my class, fifth A, and
Oh,
I had taken a box of chocolates for my children. So I distributed them, and everybody had just kept it on their desk. One girl gets up and tells me, "आप जा रहे हो हमारे लिए कोई खुशी की बात है कि हमको नहीं चाहिए chocolate." I was so overwhelmed. I didn't know what to answer, to those small little children. There's 9, 10-year-old children.
yes, ma'am.
Then from there, my farewell, it was arranged in the library, Ramakrishna Sir's library.
Yes,
And Pushpa Joshi, madam, she was our staff secretary, TGT Hindi then.
yes.
So she just started. I still remember इतने साल हो गए, but I still remember those first lines. आज हमारे स्टाफ रूम की चहकती बुलबुल जा रही है। मैडम ने ये लाइन बोली और मेरे टप टप आंसू चालू। अब मैंने एक चाय का घूंट भी नहीं पिया। I just left everything. And then going back, wishing everybody bye bye and all. I reached Jetty, with all my flowers and cards and all in my hand. As I reached Jetty Padmaja, that sight I cannot forget. मेरी क्लास का एक बच्चा सुभाष, he was standing
Oh,
there. I said, बेटा तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? आपको छोड़ने आया हूँ।
oh,
He
so
walked all
sweet.
that distance. वो नेवी नगर जो
Wow.
है ना, नेवल क्वार्टर्स, वहां से
Yes,
बच्चा
ma'am.
चल
Yeah.
के आया, and he waited for me to wish me bye. And very recently, I came to know that the child has passed away.
Oh,
I was really heartbroken. But I got the news from Kulgaka madam. I felt really bad.
okay.
And this incident really touched me. Even on my retirement farewell, I spoke about this. It is very close to my heart.
It's nice. Really, ma'am.
Yeah.
Because you are the same students, you were there for 5 years. So
Yes.
naturally, you will have that type of attachment.
Right.
Okay, ma'am. So one more surprise for you. I have planned many
Oh my God.
surprises, ma'am.
Dear
Ah, why
madam,
you've done it? Your homework.
I'm Samar Kolgakar,
Can
your
you hear, ma'am?
student.
Hi,
I remember
Samar.
you as
कैसे
my
हो?
class teacher and English teacher, who was very
Oh.
charming and always a smile on her face. You are one of my teachers with whom I started my school life. So you are always special to me and my brother Aman.
Yes.
I thank you on behalf of all your students for teaching us and shaping us in life.
Thank
Always
you so
keep
much.
smiling, stay safe, stay healthy. Big thanks to KVK admin team for great initiative. I feel like every weekend I go to my school, I meet my teachers and friends, and that means a lot to me. Thanks again. Have a good day.
Thank you, Samar, so much. Loads and loads of love and blessings to you. Stay blessed.
So
They were
this
really
was
nice.
a summer.
Amar and Samar, yes.
Yes. So I came to
Right.
know that Summer was a student. So I thought
Yes.
a small surprise
Yeah.
for you.
Thank you so much, Padma. Thanks a lot.
Okay. So apart
It's so
from
nice
the
to hear
summer,
their voices. Yeah.
yeah, ma'am. So apart from the summer and all, any other students from KB Karanja whom you are in touch with?
Unfortunately, I know only one who was senior. He was then in the fifth standard, Pradeep Meshram.
Yeah, he is there, madam. He's
Pradeep
now he's
Meshram, yeah,
live.
I am,
Yeah.
yes, yeah,
He
he is
told
there.
hi.
And yes, then
Yeah.
his
He's
sister,
watching us. Okay.
okay, Sarita Meshram. Then one is Renu Sharma, Manju Sharma, Ravi Sharma. They were all quite senior. I'm in touch with them. Then my own class, I think only I got in touch with Summer. That's it, and no one
Yes.
else. Right.
Any sad incident? Oh, this is sad. Your farewell is a sad incident. Any unforgettable, funny moment from Karanja? Funny
Funny
incident?
moment. Funny. All the days were good. I enjoyed that 14th November.
Oh man.
14th November was very nice. Morning,
Children's Day.
I think no other Kendriya Vidyalaya organizes this. I remember on 14th November, morning time used to be fancy dress, open for all the children. My God, you know what all they used to come in, full day, only for children. Real fun. And afternoons we used to have stalls,
Yeah,
Anand
check
Mela.
stalls.
Yeah.
We don't.
So या बाकी किसी केंद्रीय विद्यालय में नहीं. I've been to at least 5 or 6 केंद्रीय विद्यालय नहीं है. It was a unique feature only of KV Karanja. I remember I was in Shivaji House and we had put up a stall of dahi bada, you know, dahi bada and chai. Deepa Mittal madam, me and बाकी all those house students were there in prefects and all. And then we made so much money that the school had given us, I think, 1,000 rupees, you know, each for each houses. So we returned the school's money, and the profit was then shared, you know, with all the school,
Very
the
good,
house
ma'am.
captains and all. And in the end, we sold even curd for 25 paisa, I remember.
No, Vandana madam is telling, I'm sure a lot of students call you mummy spontaneously out of love
Yeah.
for you instead of madam.
Yes, 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 many times, many times, many times. Tying their shoelaces was another exercise, you know.
Yeah.
Then,
And she also said you are a Jan of staff room. Previous comment. Vandana madam was telling you are a
okay.
Jan of staff room.
Oh my God, I was little naughty, I know. I couldn't sit this thing, you know. I didn't
Yes, ma'am.
want to see anybody sad and making face and sitting, you know. So a little extra
Chillful,
effort to keep
jollyful.
everybody smiling. Yes, one should be. One should be.
So, ma'am, you have seen three phases as a TGT, as a PGT from KV
Yeah.
only.
Is it PRT and
Yeah, and a
PGT?
PR. So, since your childhood to your teacher's life, did you find any methods, change in methods of teaching in KV?
Yes, lots of.
Because
When I did my schooling, yeah, when I did my schooling, it was we were not good in Hindi in KV Kolaba 1 and 2.
yes,
Hindi
ma'am.
was secondary, this thing, you know, everything, even the social sciences and all subjects were taught only in English medium. Later on, in 1969, they made it compulsory. The
Okay.
Kendriya Vidyalaya, they made it compulsory that humanities subjects of Hindi mein padenge.
Yeah,
And
social Hindi.
first year was struggle because NCRT textbooks come when half the year was over. Now they are
Yes,
readily
ma'am.
available. You get even on the net and all. Earlier times it
Yes.
used to be really scarce, you know. Especially we would, you know, order this thing textbooks from Delhi. Anybody who
And
is
we
going to
used,
Delhi would bring some textbooks for us, you
yeah,
know,
we
that
used
kind
to
of
go
a
to
thing.
Kolaba and
I
collect our
remember,
textbooks. Yeah,
but
KV
still it
Kolaba
was
used to
rare.
go.
Now,
Yeah.
yes. So then it was mainly, you know, one man show in the class. On the
Yeah.
platform, the teacher would talk. We would listen, take down notes, that kind of a thing. But yes, I think still our fundamentals were very clear. Okay, that kind of a thing. Yeah, but then there was no democracy in the class. I see a lot of difference. Like when I started teaching, my students were very free to me. I was firm in the class, especially with the
Oh,
ninth and tenth standards. You know, at 6 to 8, you had to be really hold them tight
oh, it's, yes.
because they don't know even how to sit. But then slowly, but if you go to
Yes.
them, you know
Yeah.
that lots of problems children have. Children have lots of problems which they don't discuss even with their parents,
Yes.
even with their siblings. So that is there much, you know, now. Our times we were very scared. I remember when we used to go to the Sumitra market and by chance if we happen to see one teacher, we would run to the other side. Now if you're going to the market, 10 will come, hello madam and I, madam, they will
They'll
come.
shout from a long distance. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
that difference is there. Good and bad, I'm not falling into that debate because I think every coin has got two sides.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be approachable. I feel that as a teacher you need to
Yes.
be approachable. As an adult
Yes.
you need to approach to the child. They
Okay.
have so many fears, they have so many inhibitions and such problems, you know, only when you speak to them, when they trust you, they will share.
Oh, yes,
So
ma'am.
that trust has to be developed, you know, which was lacking earlier. But then it does not take away the credit of the earlier teachers. Whatever was there, they followed the system, they followed the pattern because changes keep on occurring. No, you find
Yes.
changes in yourself itself. You know, Padmaja. See, when I started first year, of course, I worked very hard. Second year, when the same lesson textbooks changed
Of course.
after so many years, you know, that let's learn English मेरी जॉन तो बहुत साल पढ़ाया अपने
Yes,
बच्चों
ma'am.
को भी पढ़ाया and you know so many
आपने
things
भी पढ़ाया
you
आपके
find
बच्चों
change
को.
in exactly you find change in your own approach, you know,
Yes.
which each year now there is so much of things available on the net in the market that you find if you don't change with the times, you'll be left behind. Just imagine if the teachers didn't know how to operate internet and all, abhi kya hota down
Yeah,
isme
madam.
classes ka, isn't it? So you need to be
Yes.
aware of the technology, you need to change, you need to go ahead with the times, and you have to blend. A little bit of both is nice. You have to be, certain times, when you have two periods, and last period English, oh, you can imagine how to
Sleepy,
hold
madam.
their attention, how to hold their attention and retention. They are saying, "Arey, that class is going for games. Arey, wahan pe music chal raha hai." You know how it is in KV.
Now
And
English,
to hold,
having first word English is
yes,
better, madam. Otherwise, we'll feel
yes,
very
yes,
sleepy, madam. To be
yes.
frankly speaking, too much
Exactly.
English,
Yes, I
we'll feel
understand.
very
I
sleepy.
understand that.
We'll
So
feel
then
very
what I would
sleepy.
do, you'll believe me. Even in 10th standard, I would start with rhymes. चलो नहीं है मूड, चलो फ्री पीरियड तो नहीं, देयर इज नो फ्री पीरियड फॉर यू चिल्ड्रन, चलो लेट अस सिंग राइम्स. 10 minutes उनको pump कर दिया, and then slowly then with quiz and something and all, you have to devise your own methodology to keep them engaged. Basically they must love the subject, they must love you, then they will score. It's that.
So,
Yes,
ma'am, you taught in the same school where you have studied,
yes, yes,
along with the teachers who taught you.
yes.
So,
It was
how
fun.
was the feeling, madam, with them? You were him and you are along with them as a teacher. So, how you used
Yes,
to feel
that was
or
truly,
experience?
truly nostalgic, truly nostalgic. But I think, see, once when you grow older, when you cross your 20s and 30s and all, no, then you become at par with the adults. When
But
you're
still,
small
ma'am,
as a student, वो inhibition, हाँ, वो inhibition चला जाता है, then you're more free.
yes.
अभी उतना experience भी हो गया ना पढ़ाने का, 10 years, 12 years and all. So then you become free also with your
Okay.
teachers. And like we stayed in the school quarters, no? So they were not new.
Okay.
क्लास के बाहर तो we used to interact ना.
As a teacher,
That
you're
way.
sitting along with them in the nomad, in the staff room, along with them, you will be sitting now. So, at that time, how you used to feel?
A
See,
little sheltered, a
yeah,
little
that's right.
sheltered.
Yeah, because meeting other outside is different,
हाँ,
madam. But sitting
yes, a
along with
little,
them in the staff room
yeah,
and attending meetings and all, you'll be having some
yes,
feeling inside, ma'am.
yeah, a
So, how
little
you used to
sheltered,
feel for
कि
that?
यार, a little sheltered, कि यार बड़े हैं, like, and senior,
Yeah,
of course, definitely. My teachers means you can
yeah,
imagine.
that's what, ma'am.
Yeah, but as such, didn't feel uncomfortable as such. Didn't feel uncomfortable, but a little sheltered, yeah, if to just maintain the decorum, kind of a thing. Yes.
So, one more request for you.
Yeah.
हेलो मैडम,
So,
मेरा नाम
hello.
मंजू शिंदे। स्कूल में तो
Hi,
आपने
Manju.
मुझे पढ़ाया ही है, लेकिन स्कूल
Okay.
के बाद आज भी मैं आपसे जुड़ी हुई हूँ स्टार मेकर के
Okay.
जरिए।
Oh,
आपके
Manju.
गाने सुनती
Okay.
हूँ, आप बहुत ही लाजवाब
Ah.
गाती हैं मैडम।
Oh my God. Oh
तो
my
उन्हीं
God.
गानों में से आपका एक पसंदीदा गाना अगर हमको गुनगुना कर सुना दीजिए तो अच्छा लगेगा।
अरे बाप रे. आया था फिर भी सुनना है. हाँ?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, ma'am, as many songs you wish we can hear you,
चलो
ma'am.
ठीक है. ठीक है सुना देते हैं. ये समा है ये प्यार का, किसी के इंतजार का, दिल ना चुरा ले कहीं मेरा, मौसम बहार का. ये समा है ये प्यार का, किसी के इंतजार का, दिल ना चुरा ले कहीं मेरा, मौसम बहार का. थैंक यू.
Very nice, ma'am. Very
थैंक यू
nice.
डियर.
So,
नाइस.
due to this lockdown, this online classes training is going on. So, what is your opinion about it?
Online classes.
Yeah,
Again,
what is your
pros and
opinion?
cons are there. Something has to be devised. The children cannot be let free. They'll forget how to
Yes,
read
ma'am.
and write. And some discipline has to be instilled. So that part is taken
Yes,
care of. Now,
yes, ma'am.
the role of the teachers, Herculean task. Everybody is not tech savvy. Infrastructure is not available. Despite this, our teachers are managing beautifully all over the country, throughout the length and breadth of our country. Okay, and so much so, inspection उनका जो हो रहा है, not one parent, not one inspector. Parents are sitting with the children, and uh, I think this is there is no substitute for classroom teaching,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
this may be followed in most of the classes and subjects. But uh,
Some
I,
disturbance is there, madam. Some
if
network
given
issue.
choice, I think classroom teaching is much
See, madam.
better. Okay? But however, even I think
Yes,
the
ma'am.
job which the teachers are doing and students are, I have a grandson who is just 7 year old. He gets up ready. He gets up in the morning, gets ready, wears his school uniform, and he's ready by 8:50. 9 o'clock he has to log in. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
8:55 he has to log in. 9 o'clock
Yes,
the
ma'am.
classes start. He's very serious about it, and wherever I have gone, children are serious about it. Though they miss their classmates and the classroom masti and all, but adjustment. No, we have to. What is life? What are life skills? We have to
Yes.
adjust to the environment. Whatever is provided to you, adjust and be happy and go ahead. So as long as this lockdown continues, I think this is also fine.
So, ma'am, finally, how KVK is unique than other schools of yours?
KVK, yes. See, first of all, the location.
Yes,
When you
ma'am.
look at the photographs of our Vidyalaya, oh,
It looks like
awesome.
a hill station, ma'am. Really, I love that pic, ma'am.
Exactly. My
Really,
God,
ma'am.
green hills, too good.
That pic, ma'am. That pic used to then
Yes,
only red new
yes.
building around. It's
Yes,
really, it's
yes.
very, ma'am.
Amazing. And during the monsoons, out of this world. No words
Yes.
to express. I think even words would not be able to express it.
Yes, ma'am.
The location is superb. This side you see
Oh,
the Arabian Sea. You can see those hillocks over there. Beautiful.
yes.
Second thing is the discipline part. I mentioned this earlier also. The discipline is, Kendriya Vidyalaya is a unique feature, unique institution, and they are same all over. But certain schools have their own, reputation.
Yes.
Like so, right from the beginning, what culture has been set in KV Karanja, it'll, I think it will continue till eternity. The discipline part. Okay,
Of course, it is
little
there.
bit of naughty behavior and all that is accepted. In fact, children should be naughty. Otherwise, it is
Yes.
monotonous. Third thing is there is no distinction between any staff member over there. Whether you are a group D or you're the office staff or PRT, PGT, a little bit distancing from the principal, that's just because of the post. Otherwise, no distinction.
Yes.
And there is no backbiting. I mean, that was the culture which was set then. Everybody helped each other. It is not that it is my job, so I have to do it. We never
Yes.
made it, that our name should come in that committee and then only we will work. No, just volunteer. I think it should. Those were the unique features which I found. These four.
Okay, ma'am. So, your opinion of these live sessions, ma'am?
I have no words. My God, Padmaja, you people have made. See, like I have got to know you people just about a month or so. Not
Yes,
even a
ma'am.
month actually. If you
Yeah,
go
one
to
and a
just
half months
about a
nearly
month.
was started. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, nearly that. You, Sujit, Hemlata. But I feel I know you people right from I don't know childhood. It's like that.
We too are feeling the
Our
same thing,
connectivity.
ma'am. We
Yeah,
too are
our
feeling the
connectivity
same.
is so good. Yeah. So you if people are doing. I told you in the beginning only as I thanked. I think I should thank you now. Because now more people are there online. Because staying coordinating adults,
Yes.
working with children is different. Coordinating adults. Now you are all adults and
Of
professionals.
course, ma'am. Region
Is
44, ma'am.
yeah. It's a human task. It is. It's HRD like managing
Yes,
individuals.
ma'am.
All are individuals and professionals managing so many people at a time and coming to a conclusion and agreeing to disagree and still
Yeah.
working and doing so much is no words to thank.
So
Thank you is a
same,
very
madam.
small word.
You
Thank you is a
same thing,
very
madam.
small word.
You
Yeah.
teachers are also giving response in the same way. So मैम थाली एक
So
हाथ से
we
नहीं
are.
बसती. Unless you teachers
We.
respond to us, we can't do anything. So thanks
It
to
is a
your teachers
platform.
also. Yeah.
It is a platform to interact with our old friends, colleagues, students, and it's a wonderful. It's really wonderful.
So madam, in this session, I would like to thank Lily madam for her voice message. She has
Yes,
given
really.
forwarded as soon as I requested her.
So very sweet of her.
Summer,
Very sweet of her.
Summer and Manju for their
Yes,
forward
Amar,
messages.
Manju. Yes, Yes,
And
yes, really.
the team Sujit, Sachin, Mansi, and
Sujit. Yes,
Triple S.
yes.
Yes.
Right,
And
right.
our video credit goes to Vinay. He's the person who is
Vinay.
doing all the
Okay.
promo videos.
Right, yes.
So
Vinay,
we would like
Sachin,
to thank.
Hemlata,
Yeah,
yes, Sujit,
yeah.
all of them.
So
Thanks from my side also.
and
Thank you to
really,
God, Chota word.
really, madam, we missed you a lot in
Yeah.
our as a teacher. We missed you a lot now, but we have fulfilled this with this event. We
Yeah.
have fulfilled this, and thank
Thank
you
you, dear.
very much
Thanks a lot.
for you approaching
My
us.
pleasure.
You know, really, madam, because of you, your approach only today I have taken the session. So I felt very
You
happy when you messaged that you want to interact with us.
you are a wonderful
So
host, Prema. You're a wonderful host.
thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
really. Yeah, really. Yeah.
Really.
This I'll
So
say even
thank you.
behind your back. This I will say even behind your back. You're a
Oh,
wonderful host. Yeah,
so
thanks.
thank you very
Yeah,
much, ma'am, for your valuable time you've given us. So for
my
everything, you're a
pleasure.
wonderful person.
Yeah,
So it was a
thank you
great
so much.
session. So time has went up around it is 1.5 hours.
Yeah, I didn't. बिल्कुल पता नहीं चला.
Really, madam, the
Okay.
session was very nice. I'm very happy with it.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you, ma'am.
you. Thanks
Once
a
again,
lot.
thank you,
Stay
team, for giving us
happy.
this
Stay
opportunity.
happy. Be safe. We will meet after the lockdown. Bye bye.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much,
Bye.
ma'am.
Thanks a lot. Thanks. My pleasure.
Bye.